The Indian stock market is once again in the headlines as a US-based investment research firm, Hindenburg Research, releases a report alleging fraud on the part of Adani Group, one of India's largest conglomerates. The fallout from this report has led to a series of legal battles and has left Indian investors reeling from the losses, running into several lakh crores. Hi, I am Soumya from Bar and Bench, and in this video we will explore the events leading up to the report, the reaction from the Adani Group, and the legal battles that have arisen in its wake. Petitions filed against Hindenburg Research. A petition was filed before the Supreme Court on 3rd of February seeking directions to the Security and Exchange Board of India and the Union Home Ministry to conduct an inquiry and register a first information report against founder of Hindenburg Research, Nathan Anderson, and his associates in India. The plea, filed by Advocate M.L. Sharma, alleged that the Andersons and his associates in India had hatched a criminal conspiracy by short-selling Adani stocks in hundreds of billions of dollars before concocting a research report related to Adani Group in order to crash the stock market and square up their short-sell position at the lowest rate. Adani Group loses $100 billion. The Adani Group, owned by billionaire Gautam Adani, lost upwards $100 billion after calling off its 20,000 crore follow-up on public offer as a result of Hindenburg Research report. Stocks of several firms of Adani Group began tumbling, eventually prompting the group to call off the FPO. In the response, the Adani Group claimed that the report was malicious combination of selective misinformation and concealed facts to drive an ulterior motive. Fresh public litigation seeks inquiry into Hindenburg Research and report. A fresh public interest litigation has been filed before the Supreme Court seeking an inquiry into Hindenburg Research report on the Adani Group by a committee headed by a retired judge of the top court. Advocate Vishal Tiwari in his petition highlighted the drastic condition and the fate of people when shares lose value in securities market. The petitions has also sought up setting of a special committee to oversee a sanctioning policy for loans more than 500 crore. Petition seeks gag order on media reporting concerning listed companies. A petition was filed before Supreme Court on 7th February seeking a gag order to halt media reports concerning listed companies, including Adani Group of companies, unless such reports are first filed and verified by SEBI. The latest plea contended that nobody, including Anderson, has filed any evidence against Adani Group and SEBI till date. Supreme Court orders SEBI to protect Indian investors. Finally, the Supreme Court today said that the Indian investors have suffered losses running into several lakh crores due to the fall of share prices of Adani Group companies after the publication of Hindenburg Research report. A bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwala asked SEBI to suggest measures that can be taken to protect Indian investors in the future. The bench then ordered SEBI to file a response by next Monday detailing how a more robust mechanism can be put in place. In conclusion, the latest Hindenburg Research report on Adani Group has caused a stir in India, leading to multiple petitions being filed before the Supreme Court. The report has been a source of concern for investors, leading significant losses and causing panic in Indian stock market. In conclusion, the recent Hindenburg Research report on Adani Group has caused a stir in India, leading to multiple petitions being filed before the Supreme Court. The report has been a source of concern for investors, leading to significant losses and causing panic in the Indian stock market. The Supreme Court has taken note of the issue and has ordered SEBI to suggest measures to protect Indian investors in the future. But the legal question raised in the entire Hindenburg Research Adani Group controversies are: did Adani Group engage in a fraud as alleged in the Hindenburg Research report, or whether Hindenburg Research report and its founder Nathan Anderson committed fraud by short-selling Adani stocks and publishing a research report to crash the stock market? Did Adani Group violate the securities law or regulations in India, leading to the fall in stock prices of its companies and causing losses to Indian investors? Or whether the Security and Exchange Board of India and the Union Home Ministries are required to conduct an inquiry and register first information report against Hindenburg Research and its associates in India. Did Adani Group conceal any information or manipulate the market in any way in relation to its recent follow-on public offer? or whether a gag order should be issued to halt media reports concerning listed companies, including Adani Group, unless such reports are first filed and verified by SEBI. And lastly, what role should be envisaged by SEBI in future to ensure the protection of Indian investors from similar incidents? These legal questions raise important issues concerning regulation of investment, role of SEBI in protecting investors, and responsibility of media organization in reporting on publicly listed companies. The outcome of these proceedings will have far-reaching consequences for the Indian stock market and will provide guidance for similar cases in the future. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.